Okay, for this step railing, my lovely wife and her mom put it together. But now I'm just going to mark the holes where they need to be. And start drilling. I'm using the hammer drill on the drill setting, not the hammer setting. Should work. Don't want to put them all in tight until I get them all started. Found that out the hard way. So once we get the supports in good and tight, we tighten these up. We let them loose before so we can let them go where they needed to go. Alright, the final screw for this railing. Alright. Praise the Lord. Alright, final step. Make this look decent. These just kind of snap in place. I think. All right, all done.